it's Miss Jamie. I thought I'd make you a quick video so we could maybe still do a little bit of circle time together since it might be a little while till we get to see each other again. But I want you guys to keep learning and keep practicing and use your take-home folders whenever you can, okay? So we're going to start with our circle time song. Some things might be a little bit different because we can't hold hands, and if I stand up, you won't see me. So I'm just going to try to change it up a little bit, but maybe you could show mommy and daddy or your siblings how we do this at Miss Jamie's, okay? So bear with me. I'll do the best I can, and let's just have fun.
Okay, everybody, let's make a circle.
Make a circle, big and round, big and round. Everybody hold hands, now sit down,
Okay, everybody, get ready to wiggle your fingers.
Wiggle your fingers, up, 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 up. Wiggle all your fingers, down, 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 down.
Now let's nod our heads.
Nod your head, yes, 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 yes. Nod your head, no, 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 no.
All right, this time, let's clap our hands.
Clap your hands, your favorite part. Fast, 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 fast. Clap your hands, slow, 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 slow.
And that is the end.
All right, guys, it's time for our good morning song. We're going to have to do this a little bit different today because I can't hear you. So you can hear me on the video, but I won't be able to hear you respond. But you could tell mommy and daddy or anybody that you're with today how you're feeling. And maybe they can let me know how you're feeling as well, okay? So let's go ahead and sing our morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How are you? All right, go ahead and tell somebody that's with you how you're feeling today. If you're happy, you're sad, you're mad, or maybe you're excited. You go ahead and take a minute and let them know how you're feeling. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and see how Miss Jamie's feeling. Now don't forget, you need to say you when I point to me, okay? Here we go. Good morning, good morning, good morning to. Good morning, good morning. How are? Ooh, well, let me just tell you that Miss Jamie is a little bit sad today. I'm a little bit sad because I don't get to have you guys here with me. And I'll probably be a little bit sad for the next few days not getting to see you. But I'm also excited because eventually we're all going to be together again. We're going to have all kinds of fun. And we're going to have a lot of stories to share about our time apart. Start talking about our color and shape of the week. All right, so we're going to go ahead and have a little bit of a talk about the color orange. This here says the sandbox is orange. What color is the sun and the slide? Can you tell mommy or daddy or somebody with you what color they are? What color is the sun and the slide? I hope you can see that okay. And maybe you could tell them what color this is. What color is the shape? If you said orange, you were right. And how about what shape it is? It's a rectangle. So we have an orange rectangle, and that is our color and shape for the week. An orange rectangle. Now we're going to move on to our number for the week. Normally you guys would be able to trace this, But since you can't, maybe you could trace the screen. If not, maybe you can make the number 2. This is the number 2. Maybe you can make it in the air. The number 2. Can you make the number 2? How many puppies do you see? 1, 2. 2 puppies. Can you count with me? 1, 2. All right, so that's it for our number 2 today. And for our weather song, again, we might have to do this a little bit differently. And we also might have to do our weather chart and calendar a little bit differently because you're not here with me. So you guys can always give mommy and daddy or whoever you're with the answer to any questions I ask, okay? All right, so let's start by singing our weather song.
Hey, let's look out the window and see what the weather's like.
Look at your window at home, okay?
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? All together, all together. What's the weather like today? Ooh, what's that sound? Look at the trees. Look, it's windy. Look, it's windy. Look, it's windy, everyone. Fly a kite, fly a kite, fly a kite, everyone. Ooh, what's that sound? We're gonna get wet. Look, it's rainy. Look, it's rainy. Look, it's rainy, everyone. Jump in the puddles, jump in the puddles, jump in the puddles, everyone. Oh look, it's starting to clear up. Clouds are going away. Look, it's sunny, look, it's sunny, look, it's sunny, everyone. Let's go swimming, let's go swimming, let's go swimming, everyone.
Sunny.
Oh, it's so cold. What's that coming out of the sky? Look, it's snowy, look, it's snowy, look, it's snowy, everyone. Catch a snowflake, catch a snowflake, catch a snowflake on your tongue. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? All together, all together. What's the weather like today?
All right, kids. So normally at this time we would do our weather chart together, okay? But since this video might have to get us through a few days, we might have to do things a little differently. So first, I would ask you what today is. And normally we would put what today is on our board. But in case you don't watch this the same day I make it, I'm going to let you talk to mommy or daddy or whoever you're with about what today is. But let me share with you the days. Is it Sunday? Monday? Tuesday? Wednesday? Thursday? Friday? Or is it Saturday? You guys go ahead and talk to your parents or someone that's with you about what today is. What is today? Our next question would be, what month is it? If you recall, last month was February, but this month is March. And I know some of you are getting really good with what month it was. March. Do you remember what's in March? Miss Jamie's birthday's in March. All right, we did have something that changed. When you were here during our last lesson, it was still winter. But now it's a new season. Do you know what season it is? If you said spring, you were right. It's spring. Now for the best question of all, the one we all love. We need to look out the window for this. So look out your nearest window. And you can tell somebody with you. Is it cloudy? Maybe it's just partly cloudy. Is it stormy? Is it rainy? We get a lot of rain in the spring. Is it snowy? Or maybe it's windy. Or is it our favorite? Is it sunny? All right, I hope you guys did a good job and enjoyed that section of our circle time. All right, guys, it would be review week, which means we have 3 letters to review. P, Q, and R. All of those letters are in your take-home folders, so make sure you keep practicing by tracing them, okay? But today, or for the next few days, we're going to go ahead and review the letter P. The letter P. P can be for pumpkin. And P could be for peacock.